Yan. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat! December 25 at ngayon, araw na ito, I just want to greet everyone, all the Kingdom citizens, all our brothers and sisters all over the world. May mga pa sa likod. Yan, hello, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na, wala akong boses. Pero I just woke up. Wah! Just woke up. Tsura. Okay, so I would just like to, ano ba title ng vlog na to? So, gagawa tayo ng vlog. And this day, I will just want to entitle this vlog, ganito na lang. Shh! Let me talk. Oh, di ba? Eto na, ang pinakahihintay na pagkakataon. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Father Almighty for giving me the opportunity na makapag-vlog, makapagsalita. Finally, ang tagal-tagal namin hinintay ito, ang tagal-tagal kong hinintay ito. Sa haba ng panahon, of course, of all the things that's happening, and this is the time. This is the time na kami naman yung magsasalita. Kahit wala pa akong boses. Pero it's okay. Wala makakapigil. But first and foremost, I would like to introduce myself to those who don't know me yet. My name is Diana Hartalaza. And I'm a proud Kingdom citizen. Palakpakan. Okay. I'm very, very proud to be a Kingdom citizen. And I've been in the Kingdom for 16 years already. Praise the Father. Thank you, Pastor. Yan. So, this is the time. Kaya ako ginagawa tong vlog na to. Kasi, meron din kasi kami masasabi. But, maraming mga questions. Like, for example, mga questions like, ano ba talaga yung buhay nyo as full-time worker? Masaya ba talaga kayo dyan? And everything. Kasi nga, maraming mga speculation na, kinukulong lang naman kasi sila dyan. Hello, I'm gonna tell you, honestly speaking, since the moment that I went full-time, I've been almost around the world together with our beloved pastor, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you, Pastor, for giving me the chance to roam around the world. I've been in the whole of Asia, in Europe, in Middle East, and because of the King is Coming tour of our beloved pastor, I'm part of the Kingdom Choir as main singers, and I'm forever grateful for that. And at the same time, one of the pastoral care. And for 16 years of service in the Kingdom, I'm very, very happy, very, very grateful to be part of it. And no regrets at all. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng buhay talaga namin dito, kami naman yung magsasalita, ano ba talaga ang katotohanan. Kasi ang tunay na makakapag-testify kasi kung ano yung mga totoo. Kaming nandirito na faithful until the end kasama ni Pastor. We are here to prove to you, to testify on how Pastor loved not just the children, but many people. We have been changed from the within. So, I would just like to give glimpse of my life before. Wala na. Yung kulot ko nagiging straight na. Anyways, my life before, when I was not yet in the Kingdom, is that I was a former dancer in a noontime show on one of the popular noontime show before. House dancer ako noon ng isang big company. Ngayon, wala na sila. So, alam mo na kung ano yung ibig sabihin. And then, for 6 years, I've been in showbiz. And to the point that I am a suicidal. So, I almost want to kill myself because of depression. Just like typical young people who undergone depression, na-try ko yun, na I almost kill myself because of extreme sadness. But thankfully, during that time, I was just saved by one man who is preaching on TV about the message of the power of God's love. And that is our beloved pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. Thank you, Pastor, because this is my second life. Utang na loob ko lahat to. Itong buhay na to, kay Pastor talaga. Kasi kung wala yung mensahe niya, that day. And I began to watch him secretly for 6 months during that time, and finally decided on year 2007 to go full time. Because I was enlightened by the message of salvation, I was enlightened by the message of love that comes from the Almighty Father. So, I'm one of those millions na binago from deep within, inside of me. Now, sa mga questions, masaya ba kayo dyan? Malaya ba kayo dyan? Malayang-malaya po kami. Kasi kung hindi kami malaya, paano kami nakaka-tour all over the world? So, I am very, very happy. Actually, isa sa mga problema namin, alam mo kung ano? Kung paano magpapayat. Kasi sobrang daming blessings na natatanggap namin every single day. We have the spiritual manna of revelations that we are receiving from our Almighty Father through the Son. And aside from that, there's also like banquet, buffet, mga kapatid. So kaya yung mga worker dito, ang problema kung paano pumayat. That's how blessed we are, and I'm forever grateful for that. So hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, but we almost, experience the beautiful things all over the world together with the appointed Son. So I'm just forever grateful for that. Marami pa akong sasabihin mga revelasyon actually sa inyo, sa aming vlog na gagawin. Hindi lang ako ang sasalita. Marami kami. Matagal na panahon, nanahimik lang kami, di ba? Because of, pastors always like teaching us to love one another, to love even our enemies, to pray for those who are persecuting us, and to just, do good things. That's the message that pastor is bringing to us. And sumusunod kami doon. Pero at this time, kami naman yung magsasalita. We were just like, hindi ako pinilit dito. Okay? Ako ang kusang loob na talagang, finally, ako na lang, sige, marami kami na magsasalita. Kung on how our beloved pastor have changed us from deep within, on how our beloved pastors taught us good things, to be prayerful, to be grateful, to be, good to the people around us. Ganun kabuti si Pastor. Ang laki-laki ng puso ni Pastor. I tell you, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam sa kanya, sa lahat ng mga bashers, hello sa inyo lahat. Welcome kayong dito makinig. Shh, let me talk, okay? So, basta makikinig kayo. And please do like our channel, my channel. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Kasi marami pa akong sasabihin. Abangan nyo ang mga susunod na kabanata. Yan. So, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na kayo sa boses ko ulit. Pero, may you have a blessed Christmas, happy, and full of love. Share the gift of love this Christmas. Yan. Praise the Father. Thank you, Pastor, for everything.